we have to get you a massive stage and PA system. Massive.
Amen.
Massive. Massive. Yeah. 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 He doesn't have a church. He has never gotten too hungry to a point where he says, let me also have mine. Where is he preaching? In the streets. So we have to make him the loudest. So it doesn't have to be now me probably preaching there or you preaching there. Somebody has been identified. So what do you do in terms of serving God? You partner. You partner. It's as easy as that. You know that a man of God that God has anointed should not be worried about how to get money. If God has chosen, I'm telling you the truth.
It sounds like I'm showing
If
off.
God has properly chosen you,
Amen.
your concern is in terms of getting information from him and giving it to the people. But money should not be an issue. What you need is one or two people who identify,
Just identify you, and they are people who think
who are not jealous.
who are not jealous.
Vanongoona kuti aiwa munhu ane chipo akapiwa chipo
Just see that
chake.
this person is
Kapera.
gifted, you have been gifted by God.
You give the person. Are you listening to me? We are not helping him because he's coming here. It's not because we have got discussions. He doesn't even have my number. I've never spoken to him over the phone. I've only met him once. So we're not doing this so that he stays. No, he doesn't belong here. He belongs in the forest. Right, Msango? Are you listening to me? We have people like that. Even in our ministry here, we have evangelists that have accepted assemblies. Crusades, no one will sing happy birthday for you. No gifts. It doesn't really make sense taking offerings at a crusade.
It doesn't really gel well.
You
You can just do it, but it doesn't really come out well. You're not supposed to do that.
Yeah. Watomba reason
You've now given a person a reason not to be born again because they'll conclude this is why you held the crusade.
It took Acts chapter 13 for a man to be identified. Separate for me. They did not say to them, go. No, hands were laid on them. Physical assistance was given. Hello? Amen. Yes. So we don't make my empty promises straight away.
We don't make empty promises. Immediately we're going to go search.
Nice stages from China, equipment. Not mapranga. Not mapranga.
I don't mean planks, wooden planks, no.
And not pulpit, Emma.
I mean not a wooden pulpit.
You preach for how long, for how many years?
Doesn't matter how long.
Even if it's one sermon, and
you're done, as long as you've also preached on that stage. You shouldn't really struggle too much in stage one. Was it in unit L?
First day,
In the first day we preached the message and what it was? Who can remember? There was no preaching.
First day,
The first day we just said whoever feels like being born again. That's what we did. Who is feeling like enjoying the idea of being simply from what you've seen. People came crying.
Now,
when you're calling people to God, don't make it seem like you're calling them to a witch doctor.
we represent a superior kingdom. Serving pays. Sit down. Let me pray for some of you.